We're getting a new car!
Way to just steal the punchline from me.
Well, you took too long.
So anyway, today we got the Civic inspected, and the inspection came back clean. And so we're on our way to CarMax to buy a new car. At this point, we are now adulting in life. Not that we weren't before, but now we are really adulting.
Yes.
Anyway.
Are you excited?
I am excited. I'm just stressed out with all this traffic.
Well, it's fine. Just relax. Woosah.
So anyway, see you guys later. Maybe you'll get a tour of our car. New car, new car. I like new cars. New cars for me, new cars for you. We all get new cars. Hey, I like new cars. You like new cars. We all like new cars. New cars, 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 new cars. Yeah!
Oh my.
Let the record reflect. On this day, the 30th of December, in the year of our Lord, 2019, Tyler got a new car.
Woo!
Should I be getting this new car? Like, it's such a big adult responsibility, and it's so much money, and like, oh my gosh, that's more money than I've ever spent on anything in my whole life. Well, except for my student loans, but that's a different story. Should I be doing it? Tyler, don't second guess yourself. This is the right decision. You can do it. Okay, let's go get a car.
We've made it to the CarMax.
Thank God. I was gonna die.
You're so dramatic. Talk about me being dramatic.
She is dramatic. She's also a bird today. She almost ate me like 5 times in the car right on the way here. Just a disclaimer.
You're being bad. I have to punish you by eating you and becoming a burr.
Whoa there.
You're inside of your new car, Tyler Foster. How do you feel?
Good.
It smells good. It looks good.
It looks like a brand new car.
Oh my goodness. Don't mind me and my coughing. Here we go. They see me rolling. They hating. Oh, there's my car. Hi, car. All right, so we just got the car. It's officially purchased. We're officially in it. We're rolling.
We are.
We're doing good.
We are.
We're gonna find some food and go home.
Go home and then we'll cook.
Regroup. Okay, we're gonna cook.
Or we can regroup. One of the two.
Okay, that sounds good. So yeah,
right.
We're gonna do that.
Peace.
Bye, guys. So we're currently at a traffic light. I was hoping I'd get to show you guys Tyler's driving his car, but he's behind me right now because he wanted me to lead since my GPS on my phone works better than his. But hopefully whenever we get inside the apartment complex, we'll be able to show you guys more because we're excited about it, and he looks really cute driving it. It's really cute. So yeah, we'll keep you guys updated. Oop. Okay, how do you feel after your first drive?
Most stressful drive ever.
That was stressful for you. That was stressful for me. We added 30 minutes onto our drive.
Thank God that you had the GPS, because my GPS had no clue where
I know, that's why I whenever I could have gone, I just stayed and waited for you, because I knew that your GPS wasn't going to be working, so I didn't want to leave you.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Here it is.